Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Trading Tutor channel. In this video, we'll be looking at the investment stock picks, that is, the Edelweiss's pick for the top 10 undervalued stocks that you can invest in for long term. So, So the quarterly result marks an important event for companies as it provides a glimpse into their business performance and further growth prospects. So the listed Indian companies will start declaring their April to June quarter results from the second week of July. For retail investors, the ideal strategy would be to invest in undervalued companies ahead of the result to reap the maximum benefit according to Edelweiss's report. However, not everyone is proficient in deciphering the tons of numbers that companies dump every year. Targeting those investors, Edelweiss has created a screener and has released a list of 10 relatively undervalued and 10 relatively overvalued stocks. So, according to Edelweiss, the top 10 relatively undervalued stocks for the quarter May to July 2019 include Colgate Palmolive India, Arvind Shipping Corporation, Gujarat Alkalis, Gujarat State Fertilizers, HUDCO, GHC, GIC Housing Finance, India Cements, and Power Finance Corporation. The brokerage firm has introduced a new screener that pits price to book value versus the return on equity screener. This screen follows the value investment philosophy, comparing the PB and the ROE helps identify companies that trade below the derived intrinsic price to book value given a specific return on equity. So here we can look at the table that has been provided by Edelweiss Securities. The relatively undervalued stocks, let me repeat again, are Colgate Palmolive India, Arvind Limited, Shipping Corporation of India Limited, Gujarat Alkalis and Chemicals Limited, Gujarat State Fertilizers and Chemicals, Housing and Urban Development Corporation, GHC Limited, GIC Housing Finance, India Cements and Power Finance Corporation. So next, let's look at the relatively overvalued stocks. They are Bajaj Finserv, Dalmia Bharat, Godrej Industries, Avenue Supermarts, Gillette India, 3M India, Coal India, Titan Company, Nestle, and Pidilite Industries. So let's look at the reasoning behind this. The screen will help an investor look at the book value and the return on equity as important criteria to determine the soundness of a business. Under this criterion, the broker has also released the top relatively overvalued stocks. As we have already seen before, these are Bajaj Finserv, Dalmia Bharat, Godrej Industries, Avenue Supermarts, Gillette India, 3M, India, Coal India, Titan Company, Nestle, and Pidilite Industries. According to Edelweiss, their underlying assumption here is that within an industry, firms tend to become more like each other. The purpose of such a comparison is to identify companies that trade below what the Edelweiss Quant Screener believes should be the intrinsic price to book value given their specific return on equities. So let's look at some of the screening criteria so you can understand how these stocks were specifically chosen. So Edelweiss Securities used companies in the following sectors: agriculture and chemicals, auto, BFSI, capital goods, cement and construction, consumer durables, FMCG, IT, logistics, media, metals, oil and gas, pharmaceuticals, power, real estate, and telecom. Only those companies for which the price to book value and the return on equity are more than half and less than 2.5, 3 times their sector median values have been included. Companies with positive year on year and quarter on quarter return on equity growth have been considered. Companies have been ranked on the basis of the ratio of derived PB to actual price to book value multiple, with the most undervalued getting the highest rank. So, if you'd like to get more information on this specific topic, you can look at the go to this specific website and get the more information. So, this video has been sourced from Money Controls. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos on stock market and trading, please subscribe to this channel. If you'd like to start trading in the stock market, you can create your Demat account with Alice Blue by clicking the link in the description and filling out your details. With Alice Blue's brokerage services, you'll get excellent exposures and margin for trading in the stock market.